Anjaneyasana, or Crescent Lunge, is another move we'll see in a lot of warm-up sections. So to get into it, we'll come to the top of our mat in mountain pose, Tadasana. We'll bring our arms up, Urdhvastasana, fold into Uttanasana, forward fold. From here, we want to step our right foot back into a low lunge and bring the knee down. We'll plant the top of our right foot into the ground, and on an inhale, bring our arms up, framing our head. When our pinkies turned inward, we're pushing our hamstrings towards the quad and firming down through the tailbone. This is Anjaneyasana, or Crescent Lunge. Stay here for a minute, and on an exhale, we'll fold, planting our hands, and step back into a forward fold. We can do the same thing on the other side. We'll step our left leg back, bring the knee down, plant the top of that left foot into the ground, and on an inhale, rise up. Again, firming this muscle towards the front, tucking our tailbone. Our shoulders are down the back, pinkies turned in. We can even arch our backs a little bit. And on the exhale, I'll come down, plant the hands, and take 1 or 2 steps to come back into our forward fold. One alternative we can do, one modification, would be to use a towel to protect our knee. So again, from the forward fold, we'll step our foot back. You want this towel wherever our knee is going to fall, bring our knee down. I forgot to mention, we want to make sure that our knee, typically we want our knee to not go beyond our ankle, but this is the one lunge where it's okay if it does, because we're protected by this other leg. So yeah, here's one modification you can do with a towel.